How to make money using Perplexity.ea. Imagine having a tool that does all the heavy lifting for you, researching content creation and even automating tasks, so you can focus on what really matters. Making money with Perplexity.ea, this dream becomes a reality. Whether you are into affiliate marketing, blogging, or creating educational content, Perplexity.ea is your secret weapon. Learn how to turn AA into a passive income machine today. So hi guys and welcome in this video where I will show you how you can earn money from Perplexity.ea. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Perplexity.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here ask anything and other things like home here, discover also, then we have here library, and we have here try for pro. As you can see, it's for free. Here we have start for free, no credit card needed, free forever. We have continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, and the last thing is create a profile to personalize your answers. And also we have here learn more. Then we have here talent, and also we have here choose the one you want, and then you have settings here. You have here account, profile, APA, enterprise also. And here we have ask anything. So for example, let's ask it something, how you can earn money from Perplexity. So we have here various sources, like the first one it's in YouTube, and the second one it's Reddit, and then we have EA business plans and also other things like Jollify, also YouTube here also. And that's it for the sources that have the questions or responses of this question that I already asked. Then we have here answer. Here are some ways to earn money. We have the first one, it's proofreading and editing, creating YouTube videos, fact checking and verifying information, generating content ideas, providing AI assistance, and that's it for how you can earn money on Perplexity. So I will explain you more and more about those things. So then we have here some questions is related on the same question that I asked. So you can just click over the one you want, and then you start know information about how you can earn money using Perplexity. Then we have here videos explain how, as you can see. Also we have here images, videos also, and other things. So it's very helpful and give you a lot of opportunities and a lot of helps how you can respond about all of questions of your subscribers, or if you have courses you can also ask about it, and a lot of things. And we have here some benefits of this website. The first one is speed and efficiency. So it quickly processes and summarizes large amounts of data. Then we have accurate information retrieval, then enhanced research, user-friendly, it's available for 7 hours per day, then versatility, consistent quality, tool integration, learning capabilities. These benefits make it valuable tool for boosting productivity and efficiency. So right now I will show you how you can earn money using Perplexity. So we have the first one is content creation. So for example, you can just start a YouTube channel where you demonstrate how to use Perplexity to quickly find and summarize research papers, monetize, draw ads, and sponsored videos. You could also start a blog where you share EA tool tutorials and use affiliate links to EA tools or related to products to generate income. Then we have freelance work. So you can, for example, offer a service on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to write articles or conduct research using Perplexity. For instance, you could use Perplexity to quickly gather and synthesize information on a specific topic, providing high quality content faster than traditional methods. Then we have The third one it's consulting. So for example, as a consultant, you help small businesses integrate Perplexity into their workflow. For example, you could advise a marketing team on how to use Perplexity to research competitors, stay updated on industry trends, or generate content ideas efficiently. Then the fourth one we have is teaching. So for example, you can just create an online course on Udemy titled Mastering EA Tools for Efficiency Research and Writing. In this course, you teach students how to use Perplexity for tasks like academic research, content creation, or data analysis. So you charge a fee for the course and earn revenue based on our element. And then we have the fifth one, it's affiliate marketing. For example, write a detailed blog post on the best AI tools for content creation, including Perplexity. Use affiliate links in the post so when readers purchase or sign up for the tools through your links, you earn a commission. Promote this blog post through social media and email newsletter to drive traffic. Then we have the last one is automation services. So for example, you offer a service where you set up automated workflows using Perplexity for businesses. For example, create a system that automatically gathers and summarizes daily industry news for executives. Charge a setup fee and possibly a monthly maintenance fee for this service. In conclusion, Perplexity.ea is available for offers that offers various opportunities to generate income, whether through automated content creation, affiliate marketing, or educational resources. By leveraging its capabilities, you can streamline tasks, attract traffic, and ultimately build passive income streams with right strategies. Perplexity.ea can become a powerful tool in your money making toolkit. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. But also don't forget, you can also select here the niche you want, like writing, academic, video, math, or social. Then here we have here attach also, and here is you can choose pro one, and then you can earn money with this Perplexity. It's very helpful and useful for creators and who use social media and TikTok, for example, also other things. So you can just ask about whatever you want. For example, you can ask about how you can create content, how you can attract people, how, and other things. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.